Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the blue margarita, a drink request from my friend Lily. Hi, Lily. All right, are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Tequila, I have here Teremana Blanco, blue Curacao, salt, this is optional, and a lime, 4 items. Tool time, let's go grab them. Ice, a margarita glass, a shaker, a juice squeezer, a knife, and a jigger. First step, grab your lime and roll it. This is so we can get more juice out of it. Cut the lime in half. Cut another piece for the garnish. Set the limes aside. Grab your shaker and your bottle of blue Curacao. We will be pouring 1 ounce of blue Curacao into the shaker. Grab your juice squeezer and your lime. Set the lime like this. We will be squeezing half a lime into the shaker. It's tequila time. Grab your bottle. We will pour 1.5 ounces of tequila into the shaker. Add ice. Close the lid. And shake your drink. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add salt into the rim. This is optional, but I'm going to add just a little bit because I like things with a little salt. So grab your plate. Add ice into your glass. Pour your drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the blue margarita. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.